welcome back to Irene's Kitchen 1. Hoy vamos a hacer some tilapia fish with a fresh mango salsa. Let's get started with the ingredients. For our salsa, we're going to need 1 lemon or lime, whatever you want. And then we're going to need half a mango, some chopped tomato, purple onion, or you can use white, whatever you want. Un jalapeño picadito, salt and pepper, cilantro, or tilapia fillets that I cut in half, and some flour. Let's get started. Okay, to make our mango salsa, we're going to put everything in a little mixing bowl. We have our onion, tomato, we have our cilantro, our mango, jalapeno, we're going to squeeze this in here. There it is. Whoops. We're going to add a pinch or 2 of salt, a small pinch of pepper, ya que lo tiré todo. Excuse Pepe, my dog. Give this a mix. And we're going to top our fish with this. It's really easy and really good. Oh my God. Okay, let's prepare our fish. We're going to coat it in some all-purpose flour just so it can hold its shape a little bit better. And we're going to season our flour with some salt and a small pinch of pepper. Mix that in. Okay, so we're going to coat each piece. I have it in a paper towel here so it can remove the extra moisture. We're going to coat each piece of fish in our flour and set it aside, just like so. Okay, so I'm just going to finish coating each piece, and I'll be right with you guys. To cook our fish, aquí tengo un sartén with some oil heated up, and I'm going to place each piece of fish into my pan. And we're going to fry this fish like so. And we're going to cook it until they're golden brown on both sides. It doesn't take very long. It's been about 3 minutes. We're going to check to see if it's golden brown. So it has a light golden brown on this side. It doesn't take very long, about 3 minutes per side. Voy a dejar que se doren estos un poquito más en el aceite. And also, you don't want to overcrowd your pan because it drops the oil temperature too much. We don't want that. So de a poquitos vamos a freír. It's been a few more minutes, so I'm going to take these out and place them on a lined plate just so the oil can drain off. I'm going to add a few more. Like this. Drain this one. Okay, I'll finish cooking these and then we're going to get ready to plate this up. Okay, so here's our finished fish. I put it in this little platter. And now we're going to top it off with that salsa we made earlier. And you can really serve this with a side of white rice, with like an angel hair pasta, with whatever you want. It's really, really good. And there you have it, guys. Our tilapia with our fresh mango salsa. Please make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye!